Underwater Book Award nominee, A Whiff of Pine, and A Hint of Skunk. Woodpecker Feud.
A couple of woodpeckers bicker and tease, pecking away at their separate trees.
One of them taps out a cutting remark that shoots out a shower of sparks from the bark.
The other comes back with a heated reply that sends up a tower of smoke to the sky.
They hammer and pound at a furious pace, both of them rumpled and red in the face.
The argument ends with hot-headed shrieks, and then neither one speaks to the other for weeks. Y'all have a great day.
Yay!
That was great.